How to lock Windows 7 session with just keystrokes. I could lock my Windows XP workstation using Ctrl-Alt-Delete-K. That keystroke combination does not work on Windows 7. Is there a method of locking Windows 7 using just keystrokes?
Windows key plus L should do what you need.
Use Windows plus L. If you use Auto Hotkey, you can reprogram Windows plus L to do other things too, like lock your session, and also wait 10 seconds and put monitors to sleep. Powerful little hotkey program.
Also, Ctrl-Alt-Delete, enter an NBSP, an NBSP, and an NBSP, and NBSP, Ctrl-Alt-Delete, Alt plus K seem to work for me.
You can even use a simple batch file. Just double-click on it in AMP. Your PC will get locked. Just copy an AMP. Paste the below code into Notepad and AMP. Save it as, for example, lock.bat. That's it, you're done. Just double-click on it. The code is
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.